Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Call me HuNNy, and I'm too excited to tell you that who knows me well that I'm a big fan of MotoGP, and I am going to watch it because it's happening in India, Indian Grand Prix of India, and I am very excited to see it. I'm going for it, and I hope you like it. And let's see how it is, the Indian Grand Prix. I guess it's called Bharat MotoGP, Bharat GP. So let's see how it is.
Here's our shuttle rides. Let's go.
Okay guys, I have reached BIC, Buddha International Circuit, to watch my MotoGP. I just love MotoGP and I came to here to watch it. I'm feeling excited. I'm going towards my stands where I'm going to sit it, and I'll going to show you. Let's see. Can you hear the loud? It's too loud. Woohoo! Man, it's here. This is BIC, Buddha International Circuit, India, and it's right now it's Moto3 practice sessions going on. Then it's going to be Moto2 and then MotoGP, and it's a practice session. Then it's going to be qualifying, and also Saturday is Saturday, so we are also going to see what can I say, sprint race of MotoGP. It's going to be fun. I'm going to show you, definitely going to show you. Here's the road, guys. Here's the road. I am Mr. Saki. Suzuki. Come on. It's Moto2. Can you hear the roar of the bikes? It's MotoGP time, Look at the sound!
Man, the roar of the MotoGP bike is different, man. Wow, man, what a voice, amazing. I'm loving it, man. Wow.
All the Yamaha fans in the house, make some noise in the
Qualifying time.
Okay, we are at the fan zone area, and there it is. It meets to stall. They are the motoring partner of MotoGP, and they have two riders in Moto2 and one in MotoGP. They have a team in MotoGP and Moto2. And let's go ahead at Aprilia stall. This is fan zone area, baby. And here we are at the stall. They are showcasing Made in India RS457. It's nearly launching in India soon. They are playing snooker there. Let's have a closer look. Two colors, black and just behind white. It's coming in India.
Ola electric bikes. Sorry. New KTM 390 and 250s. And a MotoGP red windows bike. Look at this beauty. Ducati stand. MotoGP Bharat. It's a V4. Scrambler. Ducati Monster V4. Rival V4. The two beauties. V4SP and Senegal V4S. SP2. This is the Abel. This is merchandise box. This is Multistrada. Whoa. And this is Desert, Ducati Desert. Oh, sorry. Desert X. Let's play. Let's ride the beauty. Stand. Seater CB Highness and the one and only CBR 1000 RR. Look at the beauty. There's more bikes over here. CB 300F, the newest 300F. CB Highness 350 and the HuNNy 2.0. It's Dio and some beauty, but no one sticks ahead of him. This is the beauty. Look at the tire. Look at the tire. CBR 5 lanes.
We send you your picture leading like a MotoGP rider right here itself, and you can experience what it's like to
R7
on the track on your favorite
MT-07.
You got the field zone. We take a picture of you. You get it straight on your WhatsApp, so don't miss out on the field zone. Also, fastest time for today is 1.747. Am I wrong? What is the fastest time? 1.47 on the track.
No.
You have the gaming experience zone. Very 44 yesterday. Awesome. So then fastest time 44. Nice. Did you get your prize? No. Come on. What's your everybody? Fastest time on the gaming experience. We got a prize for you.
R3 nearly going to launch, and this is MT-03. It's also launching soon.